Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to create or how to make a compressed file in your laptop. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all you need to right click on your mouse. You can do it anywhere. So I just right click on my mouse, and guys, after that you can see there have a option at the last, third option, new. There have a option new. You can see there have option new. Just select it, and after that the last option is showing compressed folder. There you can see compressed folder. Open it, and now guys, you can rename your compressed folder name like that. Compressed. I put my compressed folder name compressed, and now you can add any file here like that. I paste a file here, open it. Now you can see your file or folder. You can add more file or photo here. So guys, in this way you can create or you can make a compressed folder in your PC or laptop very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.